Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor DJ Lucias. What I will be showing you tonight is that I will clean the grout of our tiles using a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar. I will concentrate more on the grouts because the grout portion are actually very dirty and it's very hard to remove the dirt on the grout. So this is now a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. So I will try to scrub the grout and I will concentrate on removing. Of course, this is the kitchen area. So actually the grout is very dirty, you know. And at the same time, I will wipe the whole tiles. It's easy to remove the dirt of the tiles by using this mixture of baking soda and vinegar. So I will concentrate more on the grout because the grout portion is actually darkened already, meaning the dirt is embedded, you know. But by using this mixture of baking soda and vinegar, it's easy to remove the dirt on the grout, you know. It's easy to remove. You should have only patience in doing this job here because without patience you cannot remove or clean the grout, you know. Okay, can you see it, guys? Oh yeah. Then I'll try to map this one, you know. And as you can see, the grout, instead of being black already, it became brown. Become brown. Okay, I will try to focus the grout portion. That's the grout portion already. The blackened thing is gone, you know. Uh, it's not hard to do this job because a little bit of scrubbing or, yeah, scrubbing. The grout or the dirt on the grout is gone, you know. So instead of you being tired, okay, you got an inspiration to clean more because by just a little bit of scrubbing here or scratching the grout, I was able to change the color from black to brown, you know. because the color of the grout originally when this house was built, it's actually brown, you know. We put a sealant on the grout, but we've been using this house here for almost 20 years. Of course, once in a while we clean our tiles, but we don't concentrate on the grout portion because to clean the grout, it should be something like this, you know. Can you see it, guys? The grout looks brown now because the dirt which was actually, if the grout will become dirty, the color of the grout will become black, and you know. But as I scratch it with the scratcher, which is submerged in the combination or mixture of baking soda and vinegar, okay, I was able to change the color of the grout from brown or from black thing to something almost brown. Okay. So I will try to show you how I clean the grout. The grout become brown already. Okay, and even the whole face of the tile, it's easy to clean because a combination of baking soda and vinegar actually loosen the dirt which sticks on the tiles. Okay, so I will show you the mixture of baking soda and vinegar, and I got this scratcher here. This is my scratcher, you know. That's a scratcher. That's the one I concentrated on the, what they call this, grout portion, so I could remove the dirt on the grout portion. And as you can see it, okay, the grout are colored brown now. A while ago, since it was dirty, the color of the grout is actually black. And to remove that one, like what I said, we need a combination of baking soda and vinegar. We mix it together and we painstakingly scrub the grout and the whole face of the tiles. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how I clean our tiles, concentrating more on the grout portion, because the grout portion, actually the color is black already, you know. meaning it is dirty. So we could not just remove the dirt and the grout by just mopping. So it should be scratching with a scratcher, soak in the combination of baking soda and vinegar. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.